Jim, tell us about the workshop and what material is out there and how the students and participants should prepare for this workshop.
Good. Yes, we have a Moodle that's been set up in affiliation with the CIRTL network, which will enable you to review various kinds of documents, examples of long-form CVs, shorter bio sketches, resumes, and cover letters, and some advice on those kinds of documents is all there for you to review and for you to look at. And so we really encourage you to take a look, because during session 1, we'll be having some discussions about those documents, some opportunities for you to comment on things that you've learned from looking at that collection of documents. So as you're looking at it, think about what it is that you learned, maybe what it is that surprised you in some of those documents, and what questions you might have, because we'll have an opportunity for questions to be asked and hopefully to be answered as we work through the first workshop session.
Is that it first? Okay, and then session. Do you want me to ask it for
But
session?
now the between sessions.
Okay. Okay. What should we, okay, let me start over. What should participants do between sessions?
So our goal in this workshop is that by the end of the second session, you will walk away with a long-form CV in one shorter form type of document. And so between the sessions, or even earlier if you would like, work on a draft of a comprehensive long-form academic CV, the kind of thing you would use for applying for a faculty position, and also work on one of the short-form types of documents. That could be an NSF biosketch. That's easier than an NIH biosketch. But if you will be applying for NIH grants and want to try the NIH biosketch, that's another option. Also, if you want to think about non-academic careers, another option is to prepare a non-academic 1 to 2 page resume of the kind that you would submit for a non-academic job. So please, for the second session, have those documents ready in electronic format. We'll provide some instructions for uploading those draft documents. And then during the second session, we're going to have some breakout groups where you'll have a chance to essentially conduct a peer review of those documents, present them to others, get some feedback. And so we want you to take that peer review process as constructively as possible. We have a peer review agreement that we would like you to review and sign that commits to being constructive and positive in the way that you help others in your group. And when we put the groups together, we're going to try to put people with similar interests, similar fields of study or disciplines together. It's not always possible to do that perfectly, so we hope that the groups will be ones where people have some common interests, but please, whatever your group is, approach it as constructively as you can. And then finally, after the second session, you'll have an opportunity to continue to interact through the Moodle. We'll have an opportunity to post comments and replies and questions and answers for some period of time after the workshop itself. So at the end of this, we hope you come away with a couple of documents that you can really use and help you in your search for the next step in your career. And we hope that you will participate in the workshop and enjoy it and enjoy the discussions and the interactions with other participants.
Thanks.